CLI a cross-platform IDE for C and C++. Download now.
What is hello? That was the title of this talk, and it still is. Good evening. I had a beer already because I had a time zone screw up. So, no, I get in the wrong direction, down. Okay. So hello is a sequence of characters, as we all know. So I can assign it to Const Char star, and I can also assign it to auto. So, and then Const Char star S1 and auto S2 have the same type. So we know now that hello is Const Char star. No, because if I asked, is the type of S1 the same as the type of hello? The answer is false. Confusion starts. So now let's take auto reference and use that. And now you see that now no longer S1 and S3 have the same type. Of course, one is a reference, one is not. And then you find out that the type of S3 is a reference to an array of 6 constant chars. I am confused. Well, it is. It's a reference to 6 constant chars. But what does it mean? And there's an even more question, a more important question. What is a value category? You all know that. Well, this is ACCU. Everybody knows what the value category is. Before this talk, I talked to 5 guys there, and I said, if you make a mistake, go out. Everybody except one went out. The one who didn't went out and made it right was in the cost standard working group. So, value categories are something like Lvalue and Rvalue. And Lvalue is not left. L stands for locator value. Left was 50 years ago. Ask Francis for that. And then objects with an identifiable location. You can take the address. PRvalue is an object with no identifiable location, and Xvalue is an object that no longer needs a value. So if you know that and understand that, and I don't explain the history of that, then everything that has a name is an Lvalue. Temporaries without a name and numeric literals are PRvalues, and objects marked with move are Xvalues. So if we talk about just the distinction between Lvalue and Rvalue, one is a value where you can take the address, one is everything else, which is temporaries, numeric literals, and objects marked with move. So that's the basics. So what is the value category of hello? Inspired by today's keynote, I thought I asked ChatGPT. And I did that today. So the term value category is commonly used in philosophy, linguistics, and logic, and it refers to the classification of a particular entity or concept based on its nature or role within a system. Okay, so in the context of programming, hello is an Lvalue or a PRvalue. Can you clarify which context you are referring to? Okay, what is the value category of hello in C++? Oh, hello is a PRvalue because they do not have an identifiable memory location accessible by an Lvalue. What is really the value category of hello in C++? I asked them next. Oh, it's an Lvalue. So what the hell is going on? So let's use decltype. Decltype says, well, the type of hello is not an array of 6 constant characters. Oh, so it's const char star? No, that's also wrong. What? Oh, it's a reference to 6 constant characters. What? So, why? Okay, here's the explanation. Decltype of a name only gives you the declared type of something. You have to pass a name. What you pass here is not a name. It's an expression. And if it's an expression, then there is some encoding saying, if it's a PRvalue, I give you the type. If it's an Lvalue, I give you the type reference as an Lvalue reference, and otherwise a type Rvalue reference. So because we get an Lvalue reference to 6 constant characters, that's a proof. It's an Lvalue of 6 constant characters. So why did this work? Because the conversion from const star to from const star 6 to const star happened here and here because we decay, and that's the rule. So you know now, hello is a sequence of characters. It has type, 6 arrays of constant chars, and the value category is Lvalue. Thank you very much.
Flawless, flawless.